guys, I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. It's time to go icebreaker racing weekend, Florence Motor Speedway. Not racing the street stock this weekend, going to Boss Man Dylan Meredith's late model stock. Got a Georgia talent, Kyle Plott, tab to drive. So we about to cut out a little early, leave Anderson. We're gonna go to the racetrack, and we're gonna head on down to the beach for a little fun. Trailer loaded up, left battery shop a little early today. One Chevrolet pulling the truck and trailer. Gonna be staying with Whitfield in this mansion on wheels. What think, boss man? You ain't been late model stock racing in a minute. Got a good talent this weekend in Kyle, so what's the expectations if it don't rain?
Well, I expect we're going to be sitting in the rain a lot.
Yeah.
But mainly just go down there and have a good time. If we get to run, be competitive and see what we got, see what we can work with.
It is currently Thursday, about lunchtime. We cut down at lunchtime, so it's like a 90% chance of rain Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we ain't really sure we're gonna be racing at all this weekend, but as of right now at 1 o'clock, whatever time it is, Steve Zacharias has not called the race, so we are eastbound and down. Me and Whitfield rolling 85 on 26, making great time to get over here to Florence before the flood comes in. They have made it to the 4/10 mile oval, Florence Motor Speedway out here in the low country. Get the camper set up, get the trailer parked. We're gonna head on over to Myrtle Beach. Like we're one of the first campers here. Place gonna be a little wet tomorrow. They announced on the schedule a while ago that there won't be no on-track activities tomorrow. Gonna watch it flood. I moved the schedule up for Saturday, so hopefully we'll get the race on Saturday. Go-kart track over there. Well, home for the next few days. Probably be a lot of beer drinking going over here while it rains. And a little bench race, it might be all right. We left out of Anderson at the same time, but we won the race. Old boss man running behind. He had to go pick up the driver. Beer 30 time already. Go mark off a spot for Steven and get him a good spot in the spotter stand.
The loop is already in. Put a timing loop in, I ran it up. Built a little control box for it. Oh God!
Hello. Gonna get some tires dismounted. My spotter Steven Dunn showed up. He's spotting for Kyle Plott this weekend. Going ahead and getting his spot marked off. Real hard to see here at Florence. If you don't, best you can get down low and to the left. He'll write his name on that tape. Rent that spot for the weekend. Gee, a better look at the 4/10 mile of Florence. Ain't no wall except on the front stretch. Gonna be next to Sam Yarborough, Chad McCumbee, and Matt Cox. They already got up here and claimed the prize spot. And the rest of them that get here late, they can just stand on this platform. You can see the camper right yonder. We're the only ones right now, P1. Hopefully be that way Saturday too. Using that special SD20, clean anything. Clean or fix anything, in broken marriages, homes.
Dirty mow the other day, bro. Hit and run, and then I guess I saw a thing every time you put something up. Everybody called that up. We kind of watched it.
Yeah. Got tires mounted, now we headed to Myrtle Beach. Come back to Florence tomorrow and watch it rain. Make a quick lap with spotter Steven before we roll off Myrtle Beach. As you can see, that's what's over there. So when they sail off into 3, They going out there in the trees. Hug the bottom, get you a run all four. What we hope to do about Saturday about 12 p.m. now. It may be Sunday about 3 p.m. Hell, it may be Sunday about 12 a.m. Plenty of room to get down into one. Easily go too wide. Place is real hard on tires. Had to stop off, get us a little bit of cold beers, some Blue Mountains, and some beef jerky. Some natural lights for the road. Finally made it over to Myrtle Beach. Quick little trip. Rolled into Joe's Bar and Grill. Get a little grub and see what we can go get into before the rain moves in. Well, we jumped ahead a couple of days. Nothing happened Saturday for practice, so or Friday for practice. So and it didn't rain a drop yesterday. I mean, it didn't rain a drop until late last night. So it's Saturday, right here over by the go-kart track, about to roll in for the hopefully 125 lap late model race today. So let's get in there and see what's going on. Bell Jr.'s racing today, so he's got his mom and pop's merchandise out here for sale. $50 for a pit pass today, single day pit pass. We're walking into the 4/10, somewhat damp, wet Florence Motor Speedway. Find us a hole to get across. Get on down.
A lot of guys, the keyboard warriors on social media, they don't see all that goes into making this happen and what happens from here going forward and all the scenarios that play out for all of you and myself included. So you look at the
Do a little engine warm up. Get you a look at the number 4 Kyle Plott, Meredith Motorsports. Same guy that painted my Conway Twitty helmet done this one, Brian Morgan. Just waiting on practice start now. Track's finally dry. Driver's ready to go. So that'll be, they're going to do European qualifying, so we'll be in the first car in the third group to go out. Qualifying snuck up on us real quick. They're there's rain coming, so trying to hurry up and get the schedule moved along real quick. They're going to do groups qualifying, European qualifying, groups of 4. Kyle will go out the third group, the first car. So they'll get a dead lap, which is a lap that does not count, and then there'll be 2 timed laps. So let's go qualifying. Lined up, taped up, ready to go qualifying. 29 cars will take time. Qualifying's over. We're going to roll off 20th out of 29 cars for 125 laps. Come up with a plan now. Maybe follow Dale Jr. to the front. In a big hurry this day. Hey, they just called all spotters to the spotter stand. You got to take your hamburger and your fries with you. In a big hurry today to get this thing in before the rain gets here.
Okay, all right.
Across the country.
Land of the free and the home of the brave.
2, 3.
roll the top. Roll the top clear, 200,000 behind the unit door, roll the top.
it ended up being a much tougher weekend at the Florence Motor Speedway for the Icebreaker weekend than what the Meredith Motorsports team had imagined. So just took a setup that did not work, but we had to learn with no practice, with all the rain. You just didn't have no time to learn anything, you know, what was going to happen. So essentially the race was the first time, and the setup that they took, it completely burned the right rear off. So there was nothing left of it. I hope I don't even have to come across that tire as a scuff for the old street stock anywhere no time soon, possibly, hopefully ever. But still had a lot of fun, had a good time. Moving on from Florence, plan is to be back in action with the B00 street stock on opening night, Hickory Motor Speedway, March 4th. So be good to get back up there with Landon Huffman and his guys as he starts his quest for his second track championship. So that's the next race. I don't know that we're going to be doing too much street stock racing this year. We got something lined up. Don't want to tell you just yet. Think there might be a press release on it, so I don't want to ruin it just yet. But got something big in the works. It'll kind of cut down on street stock racing this year, so we'll just have to wait and see. But for right now, though, March 4th, Hickory Motor Speedway. That'll be the next race for the street stock. Had a great time with the Meredith team. I think they might be a little bit more late model racing this year, looking at possibly doing some cars tour stuff. So just have to wait and see on how all that shakes out. But thank you very much for watching. Racing season's finally here. I mean, it never stopped for us, but for everybody else, it's finally here. So NASCAR's kicking off, so it should be a good year. But thank you for supporting short track racing. You know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Take care.